Hi everyone, welcome back to Lucas AI Academy. Have you ever watched a video on YouTube and thought, wow, how did they make those transitions so smooth? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, step by step, using CapCut on your computer. And make sure to watch until the end because I'll reveal a small secret that not only helps you create smoother transitions, but also helps you increase your watch time, which is the key to monetizing your YouTube channel faster. Let's get started. Before we jump into CapCut, I want to talk about a common mistake beginners often make. You have two video clips. You just place them together, hit play, and then boom. The transition is sudden, stiff, and not smooth at all, right? So what actually makes a transition look professional and cinematic? Here are 3 golden rules you should remember. Keep camera motion consistent. If the first clip zooms in slowly, the next clip should also zoom in at a similar speed. Keep the shot sizes consistent. Don't jump from a wide shot to a close-up unless you know how to control the pacing. Keep the object or subject movement consistent. If someone moves from left to right in one clip, the next clip should continue that motion. Think of it like a dance. When both clips move together in sync, the viewer will be naturally drawn into the flow. This is what the CapCut PC interface looks like. If you haven't downloaded this app yet, you can get it for free from the official website. I've placed the link in the description below. Let's drag in our first video. I'm going to zoom in on the girl just a bit to create a stronger sense of motion. Then use the keyframe tool to mark her starting position on the left side of the screen. Next, move forward a few seconds on the timeline. Drag her to the right side. Trim the extra footage at the beginning and end to keep the clip neat. The closer the keyframes, the faster the motion. If you want it slower, just spread them further apart. Next, duplicate the video layer by right-clicking, select copy, then paste right on top of the original layer. On the top video layer, click on it, go to the Video tab, select Remove Background. Then turn off the eye icon on the bottom layer to preview. You'll see the girl with no background. Go back to the bottom video layer. Go to the Video tab, choose Mask, select the first style, Split. Rotate the mask line so it matches the direction the girl is running, then adjust the feather to soften the edge. Don't forget to add keyframes to the mask. Go to Position. Add keyframes so the mask moves along with her direction. It might sound like a lot of steps, but once you try it once, you'll get the hang of it. And I'm sure you'll really love how this effect looks when it's done. Now, if you're just starting out and not yet comfortable with using masks, don't worry. The second method I want to share in this video is much quicker and more convenient than the first one. CapCut comes with a lot of built-in transition effects that are ready to use. Just drag and drop and you're done. All you have to do is place your 2 video clips right next to each other. Between them, you'll see a small square icon. That's where you add the transition. Click that icon, look over to the left side of the screen, and select the Transition tab. There, you'll find tons of categorized effects. Fades, slides, zooms, rotations. Click on each effect to preview it, and if you like it, hit the plus button to apply. You can adjust the duration of the effect from 1 to 5 seconds, depending on the style you want. Personally, I usually go with around 1.5 to 2 seconds. If the effect doesn't feel right, just click it and hit delete to try something else. It's really that simple. You know what? Smooth transitions don't just make your videos look nicer. They also help keep your viewers watching longer. And when your watch time goes up, YouTube ranks your video higher, helping you reach more people. YouTube is truly one of the best ways to build passive income, especially if you know how to make your videos efficiently. Just by making your transitions smoother and your content a bit more engaging, you'll start to see real results. If you found today's video helpful, please take a few seconds to hit like to support me. And if you want to learn more tips on AI, making money online, or how to create faceless videos, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And for those of you who want a special gift, my top 5 favorite ChatGPT 5 tips, just sign up using the form below and I'll send it to you for free. I'm Lucas AI Academy. See you in the next video. Wishing you a day full of energy and creativity.